What is a solar eclipse? Solar eclipse is a visible incident that occurs when moon passes between sun and earth. During this incident, sun is obscured by the moon. Solar eclipse is limited in small areas of earth. It consists of three parts: umbra, penumbra, and umbra. First one is umbra. It's the darkest region of shadow. It's surrounded by penumbra. Penumbra area is lighter than umbra. There are three types of solar eclipses. Total solar eclipse. This seen in umbra area. During an eclipse, moon blocks the visibility of whole face of the sun. It's a total solar eclipse. Partial solar eclipse. Moon covers only a part of sun. This seen in penumbra area. Annular solar eclipse. This happens because moon can't completely cover the sun. Reason is moon farther away from earth. We shouldn't look sun or solar eclipse from our naked eye. It can damage to our eyes. We can use the eclipse glass to watch a solar eclipse. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.